Turn it down. All right, as you can see, bring it out here. There you go. And you can turn it. See, it's turned. You can turn it by hand. This one too. Real easy. So it's already old and worn out. So this one's shot. As you can see, it's real hard for me to turn it. I can't even. You really gotta force it to turn. And this one too. So yeah, this one's the good one, the new one. All right. Now take this off. One bolt here, and there was 2 bolts back here. Same bolt took off already. Take this off. Now we can get down there. All right, it's done. So you just had to come up, put it back here. Now we can get down there. As you can see, gotta take that off. 1, 2, 3. So we got 2 off and 1 to go.
Fitted because from what I've seen in his video, we're gonna have to obviously get the speed sensor out the way. But these bolts that hold this upper control
Yeah,
on
the wiring harness.
Yeah, they're shaved off on one side of this bolt head. So when you're backing it out, you're gonna have to feed it back there, but the strut mount's gonna be in the way. So with it loose, you could
make it a whole lot easier.
Yeah. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, it's coming through. It's coming off, right? Yeah, it is. All right.
It's just spinning now.
Okay.
Probably gonna need to stick something in there to hold it. I'm pretty sure it's just spinning. It's hard to tell.
Okay, you got that locked in. There it fell. All right, put it back in. Maybe I can hold it for you.
I'm just trying to get the right.
And I'll just hold it right here. Done. I'll just hold that right there.
Maybe I do need to take it.
It's working?
I think so, yeah. I just had gotten the wrong thing. That bottom one.
So now-
you have to use that tool for it to press out.
So this finally popped, and look at that. Look how easy that is to turn. So yeah, this is shot is old. So now, gotta take this off.
I mean, you still could have got a lot of use out of it. 'Cause
Yeah, you're right, but I just want, yeah.
still can be replaced, but it's still.
It's better to replace the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because
Still
that's,
would have got you quite a ways down the road.
yeah, look at all that rut. Yeah, so that's it. All right.
So it wasn't in immediate need of repair, but since you're replacing the upper control arm, why not?
All right.
So let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, so those two, I believe, are probably the same as that ball joint. Nope. So here's where we might need that 22.
All right. Finally took it out. Whew. Oh yeah, I ain't taking that out.
It's not bent, so I don't know why it's so hard to get out of there.
It's been there for ages, that's probably why.
I don't know what it's resting. So that side's off, now we just gotta do this side. I think it's just such a tight fit in here. So, all you do is just wipe the shit out of it. So it's gonna be a lot harder.
Yeah, go. It's coming out. There you go, it's out. Yep. There you go. We good? All right.
Just put your hand here so that just don't fall. Pry this out.
Yeah, I'm moving here. There you go. Nice and easy. Came right out.